I'll be taking you mathematics. Our topic today is polygon. So at the end of this class, you should be able to know the definition of polygon, the types of polygon, names of polygon according to their number of sides, the number of triangles in a polygon, and then interior and exterior angle of a polygon. I will take it again. You know the definition of a polygon, the types of polygon, number of names of polygon based on their number of sides, then number of triangles in a polygon, then interior and exterior angle of a polygon. So what is polygon? Or what are polygons? Polygons are closed plane shapes with straight sides. Polygons are closed plane shapes with straight sides. So for it to be polygon, it therefore means that it must be closed and it must be a plane shape, and then finally it must have straight edges. Now look at this diagram. You can see it is a plane shape with 4 sides. It is also closed and all the edges are straight. Therefore it is a polygon. Look at the second one. It has 2 straight sides. The other side is open. It is a plane shape. But for the fact that the other side is open, it is no longer a polygon. Then look at this other one. It has 4 edges. 3 of the edges are straight, while the other one is curved. Therefore, it is not a polygon. Now, for a plane shape to be satisfied a polygon, it therefore means it must have a straight edges. It must have straight edges. It must be closed, and it also must be plane shape. Now let's look at the types of our polygon. Polygons can be grouped into 2: the regular and the irregular type. Regular polygon refers to those polygons with straight edges that are all equal, while the irregular polygons are those whose edges are not equal. For instance, your square is a plane shape with 4 equal sides. Therefore, it is a regular polygon. Another example of regular polygon is your equilateral triangle. It has 3 equal sides. For the irregular polygon, you have a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. All the sides are not equal. Therefore, it is irregular polygon. Another example is a trapezium. It has 4 sides. None of the sides are equal. Therefore, it is irregular polygon. So let's look at naming polygons based on their number of sides. So, names of polygon based on their number of sides. Now, some of these polygons have special name. Though we have so many polygons, but only about 12 of them have unique name. So we are going to be concentrating on those unique ones. The first on the list is a triangle. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides. So when you see any shape with 3 sides that are close, it is a triangle. So this is an example of a triangle. 1, 2, 3 edges. The next is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a shape with 4 sides or 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is called a quadrilateral. How many sides? 4 sides. The next is a pentagon. A pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides, called pentagon. The next is the hexagon. A hexagon is a polygon with 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one is heptagon. A heptagon is a polygon with 7 sides. 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The next is octagon. Octagon is a polygon with 8 sides. So when you count this, you see there are 8 sides. The next is a nonagon. Nonagon is 9-sided polygon. The last on our list is decagon. Decagon is a 10-sided polygon. Now you may like to ask, what name will I give a polygon that is 13 sides, 14 sides, 15 sides? Having known the names of polygon based on the number of sides, let's look at how to identify the number of triangles in the polygon. Now this is a 5-sided polygon. It's called a pentagon. Now, to know the number of triangles that is in this polygon, all you need to do is to draw a line from one vertex to the other. Now, when you are doing that, you make sure that as the diagonal line moves from one vertex to the other, make sure that the diagonal lines does not cross each other. So in this case, you can have like this. When you look at this, you can see you have 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. Please do not draw another diagonal to cross this one. It is wrong. The diagonals must not cross each other. So that you can get the number of triangles in the polygon. Now, when you look at this, you can see that a 5-sided shape, number of sides 5. Number of triangles, you have 3. Now, look at this other one. This is a hexagon with 6 sides. So if we follow the same procedure to identify the number of triangles, you can see here we are having 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of sides is equal to 4. Sorry, number of sides is equal to 6. And the number of triangles is equal to 4. A relationship between the number of sides and the number of triangles that can be found in a polygon. This one with 5 sides, we have 3. This one with 6 sides, we have 4. When you look at the 2 numbers, you will discover that they have difference of 2 in every case. This therefore means that if you have a polygon with n number of sides, it will have a n minus 2 number of triangles. Which means a polygon with 100 sides has 100 minus 2, which is equal to 98 triangles. So if you are asked, a polygon with 40 sides, how many triangles does it have? What should be your answer? 40 minus 2, which is 38. Now that you can identify the number of triangles in a polygon, let's look at the interior and exterior angles of a polygon. Now when you look at this diagram, you discover it is a 5-sided polygon, which is a pentagon. The angles inside are called the interior angles, while the angles outside are called the exterior angles. And what are those angles inside? They are the lowercase labeled angles. A, B, C, D, E. These are the interior angles of this polygon. And then the exterior angles are A, B, C, D, E. That is the uppercase. In this class, we have talked about the definition of a polygon, the types of polygon, the names of polygon based on their number of sides, the interior and exterior angles of a polygon, and also number of triangles in a polygon. So having done all of this, this is my activity for you. Number one, you have to find out, okay, how many sides does a polygon with 16 triangles have? How many sides does a polygon with 16 triangles have? Then number two, if a polygon has 20 sides, how many triangles will it have? If a polygon has 20 sides, how many triangles will it have? Then number three, what are the three conditions a shape must satisfy to be a polygon? We talked about this while I was defining polygon. So you have to tell me the three conditions that it must satisfy to be a polygon. We have come to the end of the class. So see you again in the next class. Please stay safe.